Hi guys, we've got Avocado lollies. Bit of a crazy name, but we couldn't think of anything better. So, get your pineapple, super sweet, we love pineapple. Get your avocado, super healthy, all the good fats, we love avocado. Now, you've got a little bit of unrefined cane sugar, and you've got some coconut milk as well. Chuck it all in, couldn't be simpler, and then we're just gonna whiz it up and blend. Keep going till it's smooth. Okay, then you're gonna pour it in. We all know how much you guys love to Instagram your food, and this is a great looking lolly. Very Instagram worthy. Just keep on layering up between your coconut milk and your avocado pineapple mix. Leave a centimetre at the top for the liquid to expand when it freezes. Cover, and we use sticks because it's nicer, it looks cool, and it's more nostalgic. Enjoy guys, Avapine. Make sure you take photos and tag us at Lickalix Ltd to let us know how you get on. Guys, did you enjoy that? If so, check out our other fun recipe videos. And also let us know what you want us to make. Give us some ideas and we'll give it a go. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and follow.